Tornadoes are among nature's most violent displays of power. They are rapidly rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. These whirling forces of nature, though often short-lived, can leave behind a trail of destruction, carving paths of devastation through towns and cities. Their unpredictability and raw power make them a source of both fascination and fear. Imagine a massive dark cloud swirling ominously in the sky. Suddenly a funnel-shaped column descends, a terrifying dance between the heavens and the earth. This is the awe-inspiring yet dreadful sight of a tornado, a phenomenon capable of unleashing winds exceeding 300 miles per hour. But what causes these monstrous winds to twist and turn with such destructive force? The answer lies in the heart of powerful thunderstorms. Understanding tornadoes means understanding the forces that drive them. So, let's delve into the science behind these natural wonders, exploring the elements that give rise to their fury. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you real-time coverage of the planet's most powerful and unpredictable forces. Tornadoes are born from the turbulent womb of thunderstorms. These storms, however, are not created equal. While most thunderstorms dissipate without incident, a select few possess the ingredients to spawn tornadoes. These are the supercells, meteorological titans fueled by unstable air and potent wind shear. Wind shear, the change in wind speed and direction with height, plays a crucial role in tornado formation. It sets the stage for rotation within the storm, twisting updrafts of warm, moist air into a spinning vortex. As this rotating updraft, known as a mesocyclone, intensifies, it can lower towards the ground, ultimately giving birth to a tornado. Picture a figure skater pulling their arms in during a spin. As their arms draw closer, their rotation accelerates. Similarly, as the rotating updraft in a supercell tightens, its spin intensifies, forming the concentrated vortex we recognize as a tornado. This delicate dance of atmospheric conditions, the interplay of warm air rising and cool air descending, creates the perfect conditions for these whirling dervishes of destruction to form. In the face of such raw power, scientists sought a way to classify and measure the intensity of tornadoes. Enter the Fujita Scale, or F scale, a system developed by meteorologist Ted Fujita in 1971. This scale ranks tornadoes from F0 to F5 based on the damage they inflict. An F0 tornado, the weakest on the scale, might damage trees and rip shingles off roofs. In contrast, an F5 tornado, a rarity of terrifying power, can obliterate well-built structures, leaving behind a path of unimaginable destruction. The scale provides a common language for understanding and communicating the destructive potential of these storms. Like a seismograph measuring the strength of an earthquake, the Fujita Scale helps us grasp the immense power unleashed by tornadoes. It allows us to categorize these storms, providing a framework for assessing their impact and guiding our preparedness efforts. While the original F scale has since been updated to the enhanced Fujita Scale, or F scale, for greater accuracy, the principle remains the same: to quantify the destructive force of tornadoes and enhance our understanding of these powerful phenomena. When winds rage, understanding tornado devastation. Why are some tornadoes more destructive than others? The answer lies in a complex interplay of factors, including wind speed, duration, path length, and even the time of day. Tornadoes with higher wind speeds naturally inflict greater damage. A tornado rated EF4 or EF5 on the enhanced Fujita Scale, packing winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, can level entire neighborhoods, leaving behind a scene of utter devastation. The longer a tornado stays on the ground, the greater the potential for destruction. A long-track tornado carving a path of destruction for miles can impact a much larger area than a tornado that touches down briefly. The time of day also plays a role. Tornadoes occurring at night are often deadlier, as people are less likely to receive warnings or seek shelter while asleep. The element of surprise amplifies the danger, catching people off guard and leaving them vulnerable to the storm's fury. Understanding the factors that influence tornado devastation is crucial for developing effective mitigation strategies. By studying past tornadoes, we can better predict the potential impact of future storms and take steps to protect life and property. Seeking shelter, preparing for the unpredictable. Living in tornado-prone areas means accepting the ever-present threat these storms pose. However, while we cannot control the weather, we can control our preparedness. Being informed and having a plan can make all the difference when a tornado threatens. Know the signs of a tornado: a dark greenish sky, a wall cloud, large hail, and a roaring sound like a freight train. Stay weather aware, monitoring weather reports and heeding tornado watches and warnings. Have a plan in place, identifying a safe room in your home or workplace, ideally a basement or an interior room on the lowest level, away from windows. When a tornado warning is issued, act quickly. Seek shelter immediately, bringing a flashlight, a weather radio, and essential supplies. If you are caught outdoors, find a ditch or low-lying area and lie flat, protecting your head with your arms. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding tornadoes, respecting their destructive potential, and taking appropriate safety precautions, we can weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Stay informed, be prepared, and stay safe. This is Disaster Scope News, bringing you up-to-date information about the catastrophic events occurring around our world. To stay updated, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be safe, everyone.